Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. In this edition we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. The current week is pre-Christmas. Traders hurry to decide which currency will be the safest and most profitable to spend Christmas and the New Year with. The US dollar and the euro are fighting against each other fiercely. Hello Petar, who dominated the euro-dollar traders, bears or bulls?
Hello there traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the euro versus dollar. I saw the strong downward trend is active on the market. I found a broken Fibonacci expansion 100% is the background, and there is also weak demands and very narrow spread of the bars. So there is no actual real institutional buying, and I don't expect that this current low, according to the daily frame, that this will hold for long. So I'm expecting a further lower price on the euro versus dollar, and the first take profit level is set at the price of 1.0225. That area is the area where I found the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% from the most recent swings. But we also have the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% from different swings according to the daily time frame, and that next down or second downward target is set at 1.0075. So again, euro versus dollar trading below all the moving averages according to the daily time frame. I have found a very weak demand, narrow spread of the bars and upside. So be very careful when buying, but for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
The pound-dollar pair shows a rather clear dynamic. Traders are selling off the British currency. Will the bearish sentiment persist for the nearest couple of weeks?
I'm expecting lower price on the British pound versus the US dollar. I found the upward channel, or for example, that can be a bearish flag according to a daily time frame, and I found a breakout of that bearish flag, and also breakout in a high volume, which is also very important. The British pound is versus US dollar is also trading, and they're actually respected the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% for most recent swings, and that area is area around 1.2765. That area is also the moving average 100% according to the daily time frame, and also the Fibonacci expansion 161.8%. So this resistance held successfully, and I learned about this resistance. This will be a turning point for the British pound, and it's happened exactly like I forecasted in my previous analysis on this currency pair. So watch for selling opportunities. Due to the we're trading price rejected from 100 simple moving average, went to daily time frame price, went again below 21, and we got a broken let's say bearish flag in the background. So first downward target is set the price of 1.2080. Again, watch for selling opportunities, but watch for selling opportunities on the rallies.
After a sharp upward movement, the dollar-yen pair starts trading sideways. Will the pair stay at current levels until the new year?
I'm expecting upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. This currency pair is in strong upward trend. Price is trading above all moving averages, all critical moving averages, for example, 20, 50, 100, and 200 simple moving average. Right, also respecting most recently the 10 simple moving average, which is more for short-term traders. So I found also some small triangle, symmetrical triangle according to the daily time frame. This can be a good trigger if you know, watch for a breakout of that triangle for upside for potential bullish positions. My advice is absolutely to watch for buying bridges due to a strong upward trend in the background, and the next upward target or upward target is set at 121.20. This area is an area where I found a Fibonacci expansion 161.8% in the background, and that is also, in my opinion, good resistance according to previous price action. So, due to the strong upward trend, we're building symmetrical triangles. So watch for breakout of symmetrical triangle and watch for buying opportunities.
Petar, what currency pair should traders also pay attention to?
I'm expecting upward on USD versus Canadian dollar. I found an upward channel on this currency pair, and that upward channel is active. The upward diagonal, which is acting like support, held successfully, and I saw the strong bullish engulfing pattern there from that support in this upward channel. So we have I found the two targets. The first target is set at 1.3590, which is the most recent swing high. But anyway, I'm expecting also breakout of this in next period, this swing high, and potential testing of 1.3850, where I found a Fibonacci expansion 161.8% from most recent swings according to a daily time frame. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips on the USD versus Canadian dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next week. ИнстаФорекс technical expert Peter Ikimovich has presented his trading recommendations on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Don't miss our next edition.